if you have so much passion, you have passion, you want to do something, be part of the community. There are enough problems in the country. There are enough community causes that would really benefit from all of you screaming on Twitter to fix
Yeah.
something. It will really benefit. I'm not saying don't do it, but I'm saying do it for something, for a private crime. Why? Because it's Bollywood. And people say, I don't care about Bollywood anymore. Really? Acha, do you know what this heroine tweeted about this? Kya bola? They're obsessed. They're obsessed with it. They'll say कि उसने ये फूंक लिया, उसने वो माल फूंक लिया. अरे तो उसने बताया तुम्हारे सामने क्या?
Why do you think at a time of that shrinking GDP of 23%, of China on our borders, of the COVID pandemic, of unemployment, there are 21, that number must have gone on, but according to CMIE, 21 million salaried Indians who've lost their jobs. Do you think the Sushant Singh case is the perfect distraction? But yet I'll say, why are we the people so distracted by it?
Because Indians love entertainment and escapism, and that's how India has coped with being Indian. Indian life is hard, man. Since we were growing up, India is hard. And Bollywood has saved the day, because 3 hours you go there, have your popcorn and watch, and for a while things seem okay. In that theater, it's air conditioned and Salman Khan meets everyone, and good wins. And that has been how India has been. And Indians have become, एक time tha when you and I were growing up, there was no entertainment in India. We used to wait for Chitrahar.
Yeah.
You know Chitrahar?
Of course I know Chitrahar. We're the same age, same generation.
Yes. So, but the millennials watching this don't know.
Yeah.
Let me tell you what it is. It's a playlist made by the government. 6 songs played for 20 minutes. That's it. On Wednesday in black and white. And Indians used to wait for it. People used to get annoyed if they couldn't watch their Chitrahar. Today, you have a million entertainment options. Okay? I'm like, watch it. Fine. Watch your Netflix, watch your YouTube, watch your Insta, watch your Prime, whatever you want to watch, man. Yeah. It's okay. I make money from the entertainment industry. Good. Entertainment is very good. But when you watch news, please don't come in with that expectation. यार यहाँ भी एक मनोरंजन हो जाए. It should be interesting, yes. It should not be boring.
Yeah.
If Barkha and I are talking boring things, then yes, you have the right to leave us.
Yeah.
And but so it is interesting if you apply your mind a little bit. That's the maximum limit. But if you say मुझे entertainment चाहिए यहाँ भी, then it is bad for the country, because you are forcing the anchors to say, जलाओ यार स्क्रीन पे आग लगाओ. कोई रिया चक्रवर्ती के मालदीव्स की छुट्टी की वेकेशन की वीडियो दिखाओ इंस्टाग्राम से जो आपने उठाया है, और राइट पे दिखाओ कि कैसे वो पुलिस अथॉरिटीज के बाहर कैसे वो हरास हो रही है और क्या मजा आ रहा है. मालदीव्स और I don't know, Baikal or whatever, right? So it's like, it's entertaining. Yes, it's very entertaining. But you have 1,000 sources now, man. Go and entertain yourself there. जब न्यूज देख रहे हो तो न्यूज देखो, और 15 मिनट देखो, लेकिन न्यूज देखो प्लीज. नहीं तो देश का क्या होगा? तुम्हें हर एंकर को मजबूर कर रहे हो कि वो कोई जोकर बने या कोई टोपी पहने, या क्या चाहते हो तुम लोग? सो
आप इसमें एंकर्स को बहुत खुली छूट दे रहे हैं.
एंकर भी अल्टीमेटली आप एक एंकर हटाओगे तो दूसरा आ जाएगा. नौटंकी की डिमांड खत्म हो जाएगी तो अपने आप नौटंकी वाले कम हो जाएंगे. जर्नोटेनमेंट जो है, एक हाइब्रिड वैरायटी चालू हुआ है. इट्स ऑब्वियसली गोना गेट मोर व्यूज बिकॉज इट्स एंटरटेनिंग. मैं कहता रहा हूँ, अगर मैं और बरखा यहाँ भी लड़ने लग जाए और एक दूसरे को अपनी दिल्ली की पंजाबी गालियां देने लग जाए, तो आई मीन वी विल बी प्राइम टाइम टुडे. But why are we not doing that? Because something in us tells us that this is not good to do. And I think this somewhere down the line कुछ तो national responsibility बनती है ना. आप न्यूज देखते हो, आप बोलो मुझे इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूज चाहिए, मुझे, पर न्यूज सच होनी चाहिए, न्यूज फैक्चुअल होनी चाहिए, और न्यूज में तमाशा जरूरी नहीं है. और आप तभी देख रहे हो जब तमाशा है. ऑब्वियसली अच्छा लगता है, ये सुपरस्टार को बुलाएंगे, ओए अब तो सीधा हो जा, ये वो. क्या है ये? मैं नहीं कर सकता क्या? You think I don't know that game? You think I don't know the pulse of the country? You think I couldn't have led the Justice for SSR movement? I have to done, his launch movie was my book. So I could have totally been I want to tell you one thing. There are sites which show you the YouTube subscriber growth.
Yeah.
Right? Please see go to those sites, go just see YouTube tracker, performance tracker, see the accounts of these leaders of justice for SSR. Barka, you're going to get shocked and very disappointed to see when you compare Mojo versus them. They have had spikes from 10,000 followers, 10,000 subs, 10,000 subs to 500,000 subs only on Sushant. Views have had 10x, 15x. What are they? What do you think they're doing? They will say, एक और वीडियो बनाते हैं सुशांत, एक और, अच्छा अब अगली बार और कुछ मसाला डालते हैं. So that's what they're doing. And do you know how easy it is? Supposing the person watching this, I say, supposing your dad is Mr. Gupta, fictional, okay? Mr. Gupta Pakistani spy hai. Then I send a cameraman. I'm not even in the TV business, but I can imagine how easy it is. Send a cameraman on a like a just chalte chalte like that moving shot. Then put dan music. Dan. Mr. Gupta wakes up in the morning and buys milk. But is he just buying milk? He doesn't respond. He runs away from a reporter. ठीक है? फिर एक पड़ोस में कोई माली वाली, आपको पता है गुप्ता जी कुछ करते हैं पाकिस्तान के साथ? हमें तो पता नहीं क्या करते रहते हैं. उनकी अपनी दुनिया है, कुछ बताते तो है नहीं. He doesn't tell his modus operandi. ढांढा करके आपके शाम तक आपके पापा को मैं कर दूंगा. अब ये हो रहा है. So what is the solution? You need to say कोई evidence दे रहा है, कुछ दे रहा है, कोई दे रहा है. I've never been to AIIMS or whatever, but you are claiming AIIMS is corrupt, one of the hardest places to get job in, get admission in. It's like you tell my IIT Delhi is corrupt. I will get very angry, man. Show me some proof ना, कुछ तो बता कि क्यों कह रहा है. क्योंकि उन्होंने जो कहा आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा, तो वो तो करप्ट ही होंगे, क्योंकि सत्यवादी तो हम ही हैं. तो अगर आप ऐसी बातों में अपना टाइम वेस्ट करोगे, आपको मजे आ रहे हैं, okay, but it's harming the country. It's harming the future of your children. It's harming the future of your cousins, your own future. And that is what is going to be problematic. And that's all I can say.